Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Marilu Balawan, 32 years of age. I am currently living at Bangad, Tinglayan, Kalinga, Philippines. Married to Limarday Balawan. We are blessed with 2 children, ages 10 years old daughter and 5 years old son. I came with a big family. I have 4 brothers and 5 sisters, and I am the youngest among them. Growing up in a big family can taught me to become responsible, patient, hardworking at an early age. I work here in the Philippines for almost 3 years and 9 months. Started March 2022 until December 2025. I serve 1 couple with 4 children, ages 10, 8, 5, and 3 months old baby. My main duties and responsibilities are taking good care of children, cleaning the house, washing the clothes, ironing, and cooking foods for everybody. I am willing to learn, adjust, and follow instruction according to your preferences. I am also understand the importance of privacy when working with other family. To my future employer, if you choose to hire me, I truly grateful, happy, and excited to work with you. I assure you that I will be honest, trustworthy, responsible. Care your child or children with love and attention. I am willing to teach them basic learning. I will treat your family with respect just like my own. See you, Ma'am and Sir, and have a good day ahead.